Hi folks, James from Bommer here with another guide video. In this video, we're going to cover views in Bommer. A view is a selection of your properties in order that you want to see in the table or export it to a spreadsheet. Views let you configure Bommer to only show the information you need for a specific task or part of your project or workflow. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create new views, switch between views, and add or remove properties in an existing view. Start by finding the view icon in Bommer, which is the icon that looks like an eye in the toolbar. Clicking on this will open the Views drop-down menu, which lets you select an existing view or edit your views. If you want to change your view, you can select one of your saved views at the bottom of this menu, and the table will reconfigure to show the columns selected in the view. You can also press Ctrl E from the table to pull up a view switcher to achieve the same result. Now, let's open the Edit View form, which lets us edit or create views. By default, when this form opens, it will select the current view for editing. The properties on the left represent available properties that you could pull into your view. The list on the right are the properties already selected for this view, in the order they have been configured. Let's create a new view. To do this, click the drop-down at the top of this form. This drop-down is used to select the view we're editing, or you can select New to create a blank view. After selecting New, this form resets the available and selected property list for you. To add a new property to this view, select it on the left. In this case, we're selecting Thumbnail. Then press the right double arrow button to move that property to the selected properties list. Once that is done, it will appear at the bottom of the selected list. You can drag the property up and down that list to place it in the correct order. You can remove a property by selecting it and pressing the double left arrow button to move it back to the available properties list. We'll add a couple more properties here, part number and category, to complete our view. Once we're done, press Save near the top of the form, enter a name for the view, and press OK. Once that's done, we can press Close and Select View to close this form and select the selected view, our new view, in the Bommer table. And there it is! Our new view is shown in the table. If we expand the Views drop-down menu, we can see that the new view is in the list as well. You can repeat this process to create additional views, to give you additional ways to view or export your data using Bommer. You can also view and edit your views via the Settings form by clicking on the gear icon and then clicking the Views tab in that form. Well, that is all for now, folks. As always, I will include some useful links in the description down below. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@bommer.io or leave a comment below. But for now, have an awesome day.